In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix Samsung dishwasher LC error, leak check, drain, pan dry and reset step. Fix 1. Turn off and reset. First of all, you just have to turn off the dishwasher and unplug it from power source. You just have to leave it for 10 to 20 minutes to reset and dry the sensor. Then you have to plug in back and check if the error is clear. Fix 2. Dry out any moisture. Open the dishwasher and remove the bottom rack. Check for any visible water or dampness at the base where the LC sensor is located. You can use a towel or absorbed cloth to use to remove the water. If possible, remove the dishwasher forward slightly to help the drain residual water from the bottom panel. Fix 3. Check for actual leak. Ensure that the water supply nozzle is properly connected to the both dishwasher and the wall. Check the drain nozzle for any kind bend or damage. Secure any loose connection to prevent leaks. Replace any crack or leaking nozzle. Fix 4. Clean filter and spray area. You just have to remove the filter assembly at the bottom of the dishwasher and clean out any food debris or dirt. Then you have to make sure spray arms are not clogged or directly water towards the door edge. Sometimes trapped debris can cause water to escape and trigger LC. So doing all this step will help you to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.